Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And in this video we are going to learn some questions for question number 14 in end of term 3 exam for grade 9 advance. Questions I have taken from the Ministry of Education book. Okay, let's start the questions. See, this question is related with the distance between two lines. Now you can have two conditions, that lines may be like one variable or lines may be of two variables but parallel lines, of course. See, here one thing you will understand, that if lines are not parallel, if they are like this, then what will be the shortest distance between them? Distance means always we consider the shortest distance, okay? Distance will not be like slant distance, okay? So shortest distance means making 90 degree with both the lines. So if you see that if two lines are not parallel to each other, then definitely they are going to intersect each other if they are in the same plane. Yes or no? Yes. And if they are intersecting each other, then what will be the distance between them? Distance between them will be 0. Yes. So if lines are not parallel and they are on the same plane, then distance between them will be equal to 0. Okay, one thing. Second thing, that if lines are parallel to each other like this, then definitely this will be the distance between them. Okay, and I told you that it should be always 90 degree. Okay, now for this type of line we have two cases. One can be like this with one variable, like maybe x or maybe y, or it can be of two variables as well. Okay, so for two variables we will see the specific formula for that whenever you will see some questions based on that. But first of all we are going to find this one. So see, y is equal to 7 and y is equal to -1. I am sorry for the drawing, okay? My drawing is not that much good, but it should not be that much bad also. Okay, oh my god, this is not a line, this is a curve, but take it as a line. Okay, now y is equal to 7. I will suggest you to draw the lines in your notebook and then match the answer. Okay, y is equal to 7, it is positive, so it will go upside, so maybe this is 7. Okay, y is equal to 7. I am not talking about the exact measurement, but take it as y is equal to 7, and another will be y is equal to -1. So means it will be below x-axis. This is x-axis, so it will be below x-axis, so it will be like this. Y is equal to -1. Now you see, distance of y is equal to 7 from x-axis is what? It is 7. And distance from x-axis to y is equal to -1 is what? It is 1. Distance you will not take minus, okay? Distance will be always plus. So what is the distance here? Distance will be, distance between the lines will be equal to 7 plus 1 means 8 units. Okay, no need to memorize so many formulae. Okay, leave it. Just be analytical, draw the picture in your notebook, in your paper, and easily you will get the distance. Okay, now let's talk about another question. Now see, I think by mistake I have written here x, because, or maybe here y, okay, because both the variables should be same, but it's okay. See, we will see both the things. Now, if it is the case, x is equal to -5 and y is equal to 6, what should be the distance between them? You see, if you draw the line for this, x is equal to -5. So it will look like something like here, because -5 will be in the left side of y-axis. So this is x is equal to 5, and y is equal to 6 will look like something here, means it is positive, so it will be above x-axis. Yes. So what is the distance between them? I told you, if lines are intersecting lines, then distance between them will be equal to 0. Yes. Now we will talk about another possibility, because I think that this question I took it wrong. So let's make it x. Okay, this is not y, this is x is equal to 6. So what we will do? We will do like the same. Okay, no change. Just make the graph like this, rough graph only, not exact figure. X is equal to -5 will be somewhere here. This is x is equal to -5, and x is equal to +6 will be somewhere here. It is x is equal to +6. Now, what is the distance of 6 from y-axis? This distance is 6, And what is the distance of y-axis from the line x is equal to minus 5? Did you say 5? Yes, very good. So 5. Remember, my dear students, distance cannot be negative. Okay. So what's the distance between the lines? Distance between the lines will be 6 plus 5 means 11. Okay, 11 units. Now, like this, I'm sure you understand this thing. Okay. Now, another can be, now see, this is of two variables, x and y, both are here. So, first of all, you try to understand the formula for this. What's the formula here? Formula is, if line is a1x, or you can say ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, and another equation of the line is ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, anyone who can tell me why I have taken coefficients of x and y same in both the equations, but why not the constants? C1 and C2 are different, but x and A and B are the same. Why is it so? Please write your answer in the comment and think about it, okay? Because a straight line, if you are analytical, all questions will be correct every time, okay? Now, why I have taken it equal? Because lines are parallel lines, okay? So you see, if coefficients of x and y in both the equations are same, it means both the lines are parallel lines, okay? Now, so what will be the distance between them? Distance is equal to absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of A square plus B square, okay? So what does it mean? It means simply subtract the constants and divide by the square root of coefficient of square of x plus coefficient of square of y, okay? So it will be equal to what? You see, what is the line here? I will write here, y is equal to 3x, there is no constant, so make it 0. Y is equal to 3x plus 10. So this is C1 and this is C2. So C2 minus C1 means 10 minus 0 divided by square root of A square plus B square. There is nothing with y, so take it 1. So 3 square plus 1 square, or you can say minus 3 square also. Why? Because if you shift it here, then it will become negative. But it's okay, because square will be always positive. Yes? So this is 10 minus 0 means 10 divided by square root of 3 square 9, 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 over square root of 10 means square root of 10 units. Okay? Like this you will find the distance. Another question can be, same type of question. Please pause the video and do the question yourself. So I am writing the formula once again. Distance is equal to absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of A square plus B square. So here it is minus 5x plus 0 and y is equal to minus 5x plus 26. Now this is C2, this is C1, or you can change also, no problem. So absolute value of 26 minus 0 divided by square root of minus 5 square plus 0 square is equal to absolute value of 26 divided by absolute value, square root of 25 units. This will be the answer. Okay, maybe answer will be like this. If it is a multiple choice question, maybe they will write like this also, 26 square root of 25 divided by 25, because sometimes they prefer to rationalize, means they don't want to see the square root in denominator. Okay, but it's okay, you should know these things. Now another question can be, find the distance between, again the same type of question, y is equal to x plus 9 and y is equal to x plus 3. So this is C1, this is C2. Okay, so what will be the distance? Distance will be absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of A square plus B square, 1 square, because coefficient of y is also 1. Okay, numerator I have written the formula, so here also it should be A square plus B square. Now write their values. What is the value of C2? 3 minus C1 is 9 divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Why? Because coefficient of x and coefficient of y both are equal to 1. Okay. Now 3 minus 9 is minus 6, but we have absolute value, so it will make it plus 6 over square root of 2, means 6 square root of 2 over 2. How I am getting this thing? I am sure you know this. Okay. Why? Because I am multiplying numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So root 2 multiply root 2 will be 2. 6 divided by 2 means 3. So what will be the answer? 3 square root of 2 units. Okay. Hope, my dear students, you understood this question, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.